Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today, we have a mystery. I have no idea what's in this Fabfitfun box, so let's get into it and check it out. Season when we do Fabfitfun, of course, I know everything that's coming to the house because I have annual, so I make all of the customizations in all of the categories. Last season, somebody suggested that perhaps what would be a fun thing to do is just choose mystery selection in each of the categories. And I was on board with that. Right up until there was Vegamour in the box. And I am using all of the Vegamour products, trying to make my hair thicker. And I wasn't willing to not do that. And I thought, even if one of them wasn't a surprise, it kind of took the fun out of it being a full mystery box. But then I went into add-ons and there's a full mystery box. And somebody said, you could do that. What a fabulous idea. So I picked this out of add-ons. It was $59.99. It said it had a $147.99 value. I don't know if the math on that is true, but in theory, that means that some of the smaller products, let's see what we've got. It's kind of fun that it's just all a surprise. I mean, it could go either way. That could be the good news or the bad news. I suspect since it's only a $147.99 value, it's probably the smaller products, but that's okay. There are smaller products that I like. The one thing that I can see right off the top is a repeat. It is the, it's even in the same color. It is the Little Corbousse Woven Throw. I did get this. I will link my other boxes, my first annual box and my second annual box. I will link at the end of this so you can go over and check them out. I did get this. I got it in rust. Thought I ordered it in taupe, but I ordered it in rust, so I have another one. I will probably set this aside for a gift. I can open it up because I wouldn't gift it in this plastic anyway, but I definitely don't need two of these, especially in the same color. And that is what it looks like. It's soft-ish. That's what I said in the last video. It's soft-ish. It's soft, but it's not like a little marshmallow soft, or it's not like a Barefoot Dream soft. It's not a velour, it's cotton. It's 100% cotton, and it's just got some stiffness to it. It will probably soften up with washing, but I'm not sure. That is what that looks like. So this is what I got in my mystery box in customization 1. Customization 2, and I can see this right on top. This is the Alex and Ani bracelet. I will leave it in here so that I can pass it on. That is how it's packaged, but I happen to still be wearing it because I chose this in my first box. It is very pretty. Let me show you. It's easy to slip in and slip out of because it's the flex cuff that they said bends really easily. I said this in my first video. I thought that it was gonna bend and then snap back on its own. I didn't realize that flex cuff just meant that it was a little more malleable. I did have to squeeze it in a little bit. It is made to fit a wide range of wrists. And even on me, I don't have a big wrist. I probably have an average wrist. I buy average bracelets, probably 7 1/4. I think that's what average is. That's what I do. But it's a nice fit. I like the way it looks. I will save this one to pass along. Customization 3, let me check my book and make sure I'm right with my memory. Yes, I am, is the silked pillowcase. I did not choose this because it's a sleeve, and the last time I got a silked pillow sleeve, I couldn't keep it on my pillow because it's open at both ends. Mine, however, did not have a back that was tightening. Something about this made me wonder if I should get it because I felt like the back was going to be more fitted than mine. Yeah, no, I don't think my pillow will stay in this either. I'm gonna poke this back in here. So if I wanna do a giveaway and throw this in it, I can do a lifestyle giveaway. That would be fun. I can do that. It's open at both ends and it's a nice emerald green. I have silk pillowcases. The theory is that you don't rough your hair as much, that it's much more gentle on your hair and your face. It leaves less wrinkles. It leads to less hair breakage because your hair can just kind of slide across it as opposed to getting hung up in the cotton. Okay, if I put this in a giveaway, you happen to win, just know I did my best getting it back in. Pretty good. Oof, not perfect. In customization 4, we have the KVD tattoo liner. I actually did think about adding this, so I am not sad to have this. It was waterproof, as I recall, and is in Trooper Black. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the line on this because I actually thought about choosing this. I did my K in it. It was really smooth. It went right over my skin really smoothly. It's not bleeding into the lines in my hand at all. I will say it is not a real deep black. It's kind of a more charcoal, but maybe I didn't press hard enough. We'll see when I use it. So that's kind of fun to get because it is something that I thought about. Customization 5, we have the Cuccio Botanicals Hand and Body Wash. Something else that I thought about adding. You know, we use a lot of hand and body wash around here. And that's what it looks like once it's out of the plastic. What is that scent? I don't know that that's my favorite. Is it cooked food? If you got this, let me know. Something about this smells like Chinese food to me. What do they say it is? Sandalwood and sage. Sandalwood and sage should not smell like Chinese takeout. I will see what this smells like when I use it on my hands and decide if I would like to use it moving forward. So far, not my favorite scent. And my customization 6, happy to have this. I actually put this was in my first box. It is a heat protectant from Verb. It is the Ghost heat protectant. I actually used the entire Ghost line at one point and I liked it very much. I love the scent of it. I love heat protectants. I use them from about here down. You should probably use them all over, but everything weighs my hair down. You know, I have very fine, thin hair. So I really try and keep everything at the ends. And I love the Verb product, so I am happy to have this. In this box, the things I am most happy to have are this and the KVD liner. The value of that is about $40. Since I have my mother, my daughter, 4 granddaughters, I can do giveaways. I don't mind having the extra product that I didn't choose. That said, if you really think that you would like a FabFitFun box, I would highly suggest signing up because whether you do it as a seasonal or an annual, you'll have at least 4 choices. As a seasonal, you choose in the first 4 categories, and that's where I got the blanket, the bracelet, the pillowcase, and the Kat Von D. You could have chosen all of those customizations if you belonged. If you're an annual, you chose all 6 of your products. So I would highly suggest signing up. What we have is, we do get this with each box now. One of you actually said you got like a $5 credit on this, but other than that, I've never known anybody else to win. I got a, yeah, sorry, not an instant winner, but you can go on to FabFitFun and there are other ways to win. So I would highly suggest you do that. We get on the back of this, the digital book now. We got no books in any of our boxes. So everything now is digital. Okay, mystery box. I probably wouldn't do it again. You guys know I love FabFitFun. I think for $60, I could have picked 6 products in the add-on sale that I probably would have preferred to some of these. And I also did really well with my mystery bundles this season. You could pick a mystery bundle and then a couple other items for the same price. I just think that if you want this season's products, the way to go, I mean, this didn't cost any less than getting a subscription box. So there was no advantage to doing this over signing up, even if it's just for 1 month. Even if you just think, you know what, I would like to try this for 1 season. Sign up, let them send you the box, and cancel. That way you have control. Okay. That's what I have to say about that. Let me know what you guys think below. Do you see the value in getting a all mystery bundle out of the add-on sale? Is there something that I'm missing? Let me know what it is. Thank you so much for coming by. I appreciate you taking the time to be here. I love all of my FabFitFun boxes. I just taped all of my FabFitFun unboxings, so I am surrounded by all of the goodness that is FabFitFun, and I got great boxes. This was even a nice box. I just happen to have a couple of repeats that I got in other boxes, or it would have been perfection. The Alex and Ani bracelet is gorgeous. I like it a lot. So I am happy to have that. I am happy to have one to pass along. I just don't think I would do it again. And it makes me think I probably wouldn't ever do the mystery choice either. Apparently, I like to have the control. I should have known that about me. Thanks again, guys, and I appreciate you taking the time to be here. I hope I will see you again soon. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. Take care, guys. Bye.